As you get ready to organize your ideas for your paragraph that you're going to be writing for the Broom Dog Scholastic scope that we've been reading, I have included a bubble map organizer that you can use. This is something that you will not turn into me, but if you want to use it to help you organize your ideas for your paragraph, you can do that. I wanted to spend just a few minutes reminding you how to use a bubble map organizer so that you can use it how you would like. So we will do that now. So remember, the topic of your paragraph always goes in the middle. So our topic is the question that we're answering. What is Canton afraid of? And how does he overcome his fear? That is our question, or what we would consider our topic for this paragraph. My first thought about what Canton is afraid of was that his mom maybe would get hurt again. So that's what I was going to put in my first bubble. I also think sometimes when children know that an adult in their life has gotten hurt, that they also think sometimes that they might be hurt. So that was my second thought of what Canton might be thinking, one of his fears might be. So I'm going to type that in my second bubble. Now I'm going to go ahead and type in my other two bubbles what I think Canton did to help himself overcome this fear. And the first thing that I think Canton did, of course, was become friends with Mr. Munch. So I would type that in my bubble down here. Canton became friends with Mr. Munch. Then I also think that Canton used the broom dog that Mr. Munch made for him as sort of a support stuffed animal, kind of a replacement for a stuffed animal. So I'm going to type that down here in this box. Canton used the broom dog as a support stuffed animal. Oops, let's do this. Animal. So now that I'm all finished with my organizing of my paragraph, I can go ahead and get ready to type this in a Google document, and it will come out to be a nice paragraph about my thoughts about what I inferred about what I thought Canton was afraid of and how he overcomes his fear of that.